Here we are at the temple, and we're looking at the deconstruction of the Living Waters tree. We made this for the dance recital 2015 and have decided now to keep it. And so it's constructed into 4 large sections. I'll think of them as strips that stack on top of each other. But these individual strips must be further broken down in order to store. So I'm looking at this section right here, from the edge of the leaf here over to about that bright pine strip there. And you can see the basic deconstruction method is we're splitting it apart at the seams. So because each of these sections are 8 feet wide, there's a seam that runs down the center. You can see I was able to take a knife and score along the existing seam and break that seam open again. Here we have an anchor of wood, and so I had to back this screw out here and then kind of pop this out, and so you can see what happens is this piece can be moved. And so what we're going to do is show you how this section now can stand alone. And what we'll do is label it with a Sharpie, and we'll keep the centerpiece connected to the frame support behind it. That way, in reconstruction, we'll make it easier for us to put it together. But these side fins, if you would, we will re-slice and reconstruct after the fact. You can see that there will be, see those scabs right there? There's one there. There's another scab plate there. There's a seam behind there. So from the front side, we'll score it with a knife. We'll pop this wood brace behind it and then store this section from here over is about 7 feet. And that way we take this 24-foot wide section and are able to break it down into 3 pieces. So think of 3 pieces per strip, and that's how we'll store this efficiently and be able to reconstruct it properly.